In today's changing immigration landscape, it's crucial for Arizona families to understand their children's educational and constitutional rights. This video offers important information and resources to help families stay informed, prepared, and safe. No family should ever fear sending their child to school. Arizona families, it's important to know that your children have rights, no matter their immigration status. First, let's go over your child's education rights. Under the Supreme Court case ILRA v. Doe of 1982, all children, documented or not, have the right to attend public K-12 schools. Arizona law ARS 15-821 also reinforces this right, ensuring free public education for all students. Additionally, it's important to note that your privacy is also protected. Schools are not required to ask about or report immigration status. Under the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, also called FERPA, your child's school records, including immigration status, must remain confidential. Furthermore, if you or your child is actively learning English, language support is available. Arizona schools must provide translation and interpretation services for families with limited English proficiency. Title VI of the Civil Rights Act and the Lau v. Nickel ruling of 1974 guarantees language support. Just ask your school for help. Every student deserves a safe and inclusive learning environment. Arizona's anti-discrimination laws and federal protections under Title IX ensure that schools are free from harassment and discrimination. If your family needs assistance, reach out to school staff, counselors, and trusted local organizations. With major changes taking place in the immigration system, it's important to find support within your community. Groups like the ACLU of Arizona, the Florence Immigrant and Refugee Rights Project, and Arizona Immigrant and Refugees Services can potentially help your family. Resources for community support and assistance can be found in the bio below. ICE and other immigration law enforcement are more active in communities than ever before in efforts to crack down on illegal immigration under the Trump administration's executive orders. While schools are considered sensitive locations, the rules may change. You are encouraged to talk about what to do in the instance ICE does show up to your child's school with your child ahead of time. It could be incredibly helpful. If ICE does show up, make sure your child knows the following. First, stay calm and do not run. They do not have to answer any questions or reveal their immigration status. They can ask to see a warrant signed by a judge, not just a warrant issued by ICE. Please see the Coalition for Humane Immigrant Rights, CHIRLA's website listed in the bio below for learning how to spot the difference between a judicial warrant versus an administrative order. If they are approached by law enforcement or an ICE agent, they should say, "I am choosing to remain silent until I speak with a lawyer." As soon as they are able, they should call a trusted adult. If it may be unsafe for you to come to your child without risking arrest, you should work out who your child will call ahead of time. Your child can also call the Rapid Response Team if they are in Tucson at 520-221-4077. To sum it up, your child should remain quiet, request to call an adult that knows them, and to tell authorities that they are remaining silent. Lastly, consider having your child carry around the Immigrant Legal Resource Center's red card in the instance that they feel they must assert their rights but may not have the words to do so. It is available for free online. The link is in the bio below. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, know your rights, and build a strong support network within your community. Together, we can ensure every child has the opportunity to succeed and learn in spite of these uncertain times. Thank you for watching.